then why did you go for anthropology? क्योंकि anthropology में generally मैं देखता हूँ कि graduate तो कोई लेता ही नहीं anthropology वाला, और लेता भी होंगे तो शायद exam pass नहीं होता. तो why it is becoming a very important choice for the IITians? The anthropology, why IITians are choosing anthropology so much? I think doctors of course उनके लिए तो एक normal choice है कि physical part वाला overlap है, लेकिन
So for me personally, sir, I liked biology in my 10th, etc. And I had an understanding of genetics, the basics of that. And I had an interest in archaeology as well, sir. So historical bent of mind I had. So in school, sir, I read all the subjects properly.
Oh, that's nice.
So that was there, sir. So I thought that anthropology provides a holistic understanding of human beings as a species, sir. And the syllabus interested me more so than other subjects, because other subjects focus on particular domains of human society. Anthropology provides a holistic understanding.
सब कुछ touch कर लेता है, economy, politics, religion, सब कुछ touch कर लेता है वो.
And that the question of who are human beings, why do they do what they do, हम हैं कौन? So that question is aptly answered, if not completely answered, sir.
या तो religion ने कोशिश की है समझाने की, या anthropology ने की है कि हम आखिर हैं कौन.
Indeed, sir. So anthropology is the more scientific manner. Also, sir, the syllabus is particular parts of syllabus are scientific in nature, technical in nature. So that
but
also
few things are also under control also इस syllabus में. जैसे paper 2 काफी clear cut है, छोटा है मुझे लगता है बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स के मुकाबले. पेपर 1 तो as big as any other subject, पर पेपर 2 relatively manageable है क्योंकि टॉपिक्स बहुत लिमिटेड हैं और कुछ पार्ट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव भी हैं एंथ्रो में.
Yes, sir.
तो व्हाट इज योर टेक?
Sir, objective है, that might be one of the reasons that IITians are choosing it, because certain score is sort of handled
assured for you.
Assured for you.